A warm welcome. The thing is that I just want to get the analysis of Smita Enjoy Music with Smita's website. So initially what I will be doing is that you can just type the URL, the basic URL like enjoy Smita's music.in and you just press enter. So here you will be getting the site open. You can see this. Fine. I'm not indulging here much time because maybe it depends upon the connection speed. Okay. So the page is already opened there and another tab close to this tab. You can say this. And after opening this, you have the pages like this, and this background, the cover page changes every time when you open. Every time you open the website, you will find a different type of cover background. Fine. So you should not be confused. Now after that, I'll be trying to go for the pages. Like these are the pages. 5 pages are there. So brief bio is about Smita Ji's introductory briefing, profile briefing. Like she is saying like she is a singer, musician, music composer, and in fact she is a multi-talented personal. She also usually go for the blogging. You can just check into this. And here are the posts, the link to the some of the posts. There are many posts on this website which she had already done. So these are the some particular posts. You can directly, if you click the link, you will see this. It will be open in a different tab. So this is the post which Smita Ji had done with health, exercise, diet and everything. You can just check it. Fine. So these posts basically this post is comprised of very important products, international level products, which are really beneficial for the health. Okay. And the professionals who do exercise, rigorous exercise. So they need a special diet. So you can have a lot of products which are enlisted here in the form of links. You can check it here. You can also have a lot of methods, ebooks and exercise gadgets. Especially why you go through Smita Ji's website and start a purchase of these things, because you get a special discount if you purchase through Smita Ji's website these links. The founders or the manufacturers provide a special discount to Smita Ji. Whoever purchases through Smita Ji's website, he or she is subjected to get a certain special discounts. So there are a few links she had posted. Maybe gradually the number of links will be increasing. Frequently you will be checking into this. So apart from that, you will be getting a lot of information. I'll be gradually briefing all these things. So here I am closing this post page, and you can see. So likewise you can click here. You will be getting this. It is about SEM, SEO, SMC tools, video content marketing sources. So video content, like today's scenario, many people are into video blogging. Fine. So you people can market your videos. You might be seeing in the website, in the YouTube, that there are many advertisements in which they used to sell their video. Okay. They used to sell their contents through the video. So this is video content marketing. So you will have a lot of powerful tools, the links to the tools enlisted in this post. I'm just putting it. You can just For a glance you can, at a glance you can see this. Fine. So you will be checking this. It takes a bit time, depends upon the internet connection speed. Okay. Now the thing is that the video, the desktop is being recorded, so the slower, been using VPNs, so the thing is that it's bit, there is a reduction of the speed in the internet in my system. You can see this. There are also linking, like it's a high paying affiliate sources. You can have some affiliate marketing, very highly paying affiliate links. Okay, if you click this, you'll be redirected to another post like this. So she has just integrated those links. Here are the links: SEO, SMC, SEM tools, and you can have video marketing tools. Fine. There are few ones. She has written more contents are going to be published soon. Check post frequently to stay updated with latest sources. Fine. So here you can get a lot of links like that for your video content marketing. And I'm closing it. Here also the high and true affiliate earnings. Somewhere she has integrated this link in the post itself, in the writings. And here she is describing that she delivers charity singing shows for raising funds to work for the upliftment of the deprived section of our society, the poor people, the homeless people. And also she is into delivering online music classes, like the themes, like in the light music, semi-classical vocals, pure classical vocals, instrumental classes of harmonium, synthesizers, tabla, etc. Even she used to give pre-recorded video classes also. Here are the payment links. You can have these are the categories which are listed here: playback singing, live singing shows, music and composition, male and female voice artist, pre-recorded video classes on ragas. Levels are there. There are many levels for these pre-recorded classes. Like in level 1, maybe you will be getting 3 or 5 or 6 pre-recorded videos for some package. So maybe I am not instructed to discuss the price here while analyzing her website, giving a review about her website. So I'm not instructed to do that. So you have to click on this, and then you have to discuss directly with Smita ji or the concerned persons of our team who will be dealing with the price matter. So you can hear, this is the email, basically official email. You can contact Smita ji with this email. You can get a response from her. And apart from that, you have in every page you will be finding, I'll be just going through, every page you will be finding a contact form. You can see this. There's a contact form. Your name should be here. Fine. Here you will be entering your name, and here you will be entering your email address. Then website is optional. If you have your website, it's okay, nice, very nice. Then you write the message here, what query you are, what question you are having, so what subject you are trying to put in the mode of discussion with Smita ji. So you can write here, and then you have to submit. Click the submit button. Okay. So this is also another way through which you can communicate with Smita ji. Fine. And she used to give a lot of time to the website visitors. She devotes a considerable time of the day in responding the website visitors. Okay. Now after this, what I would just want to say you, see, there are a lot of advertisements here. You can just before that I'll be here. This is one guiding message. It's a computer voice. It's a guiding message in English that how to explore this website. Fine. So I'm just clicking it. You can listen to that.
A warm welcome to you. I will guide you how to explore my website.
So this is how if you click it, because it is connected through the earphone, the headphone, so it might not be possible to listen to that. But if you click it, when you exactly open the page website of Smita ji, and in every page you will be finding the top right side, you will be getting this audio instructions in English, how to explore my website. So you will be getting a brief, at least it's 2 minutes 34 seconds. So you'll be getting a great idea about how to explore her website. Fine. Now, apart from that, if you see this left portion, she has written singer, music composer and musician, a small brief profile byline she had written. Now here in this, these are the links of the recent posts which she had already explained with the computer voice instruction, audio instruction. So these are the recent posts which you can click on these links, and exactly the way I just opened here, exactly the same way you will be able to open the links. Okay, so videos and a lot of things are there. Register also you can do it here. The benefit of registering through Smitaji's website is that you will be getting a complete set of website created without costing, without investing a single pie. You will be redirected to a different site where you will be creating a site like this, like Smitaji. But there are many things which you have to purchase from the WordPress. So in some other videos I'll be describing, or maybe if Smitaji is instructing me to create a video about how to create a basic website, and then medium level website, and then complex advanced level website through WordPress. So maybe I'll be creating those videos later on. But the thing is that you'll be able to bring out a website. In the YouTube you can have a lot of information, that basic knowledge you will have. You can gather basic knowledge about creating a website through WordPress. But if you do this through Smitaji's website, if you register through this website, you get a certain special privileges, not discounts, because you are not going to pay anything for creating the site through WordPress. It is completely free, but you will be granted some privileges as you have done through Smitaji's website. You have registered through Smitaji's website. Fine. This is the benefit you will be getting through registering the website. If you click this, you will have this, or either you will be clicking this, or you will be clicking this. Fine. So whichever you click it, you just see this, what happens. I just clicked it. You can check those things. See here, the page opens like this. It loads. You can see this. It's still loading. It depends upon the speed of the connection, internet connection. And now you can see this. So these are the sidebars. This is the primary sidebar, which the website specifically use the terminologies of the primary sidebar, and this is the content sidebar, and there will be in the just footer sidebar, just below the page. I will be showing it afterwards. See, this is once you click this register, or here also the button is there in the pages, in the menu. If you click it, you will be redirected to this page. You can see this. You have to give your username. You have to give the name, exact name, whatever is there, and then your proper email address. It's not a joking type of things like the email address, because everything the WordPress will be communicating with you through this email. So it should be very authentic. Your name should be authentic, and you create a certain username, and then you will be creating a password. Fine, it's written here, it's very strong. It's something like it is auto-generated. You can change it, and then okay, complete sign up. It's a hint is given about creating a strong password. You can have a complete sign up. Fine. So thus you will be able to create a website like Smitaji. You have to choose a lot of templates and a lot of things, of course. So this is about the registering part. Now I'm again clicking the brief bio, like the first, this is the home page of Smitaji website. Now I have already briefed about these links, like the top posts and pages. So I have already given us very slight brief on this. Now let me speak about these widgets which are being integrated in the website. Like this is the SoundCloud integrated. There are 3 profiles of Smitaji. She had made these 3 through the SoundCloud platform. The audio songs are there and HD voice. You can listen to those audio songs online. It's a very big platform. You might be knowing that. SoundCloud is a very big platform for the audio, like YouTube is for videos and SoundCloud is for audios. It's very big platform. In fact, it's also free. You can use. There are some, they used to give some storage spaces, hosting spaces, like maybe 1 GB or something like that. So till that you can use it free, and then you have to purchase. You have to go for the paid subscription to make it unlimited. You can host your MP3s and WAV files, recorded files. You can go for compositions. You can create music with that. You can collaborate with music creators through this platform, and a lot of things are there. You can surf and you can get it. Just you can click it, and you'll be you can see this. If you click it, it starts playing. You can see this. The Ganesh Bandhana classical. Here more on SoundCloud. It's a single one. It's being given here. Fine. So here also, if you click it, a sample, like I think Vaishnava Janate. It will be. This is Vaishnava Janate. You can see this. Explore more music and audio like Vaishnava Janate cover. You can like this. Here also a small visit is being fine. Then this is about the Liquid Web Cloud dedicated platform. You can have these are the advertisements of different website hosting platforms. Fine. And this is the place. This is the widget through which you can pay for these categories. Any of these categories, you can discuss verbally with Smitaji or the concerned person, and you can pay through her website, also through PayPal. So here you can create your own PayPal site also if you have not yet registered. It's very acclaimed payment portal throughout the world. Fine. And then you can use your Visa cards, your debit cards and everything, your bank account, everything can be integrated with PayPal. It's very nice. It's a free also. Absolutely free. Here also one Elementor. This is also again a website hosting platform. So a lot of website hosting platforms are being tying up with Smitaji, maybe related to her traffic, the audiences. She is a veteran singer, musician and composer. So a lot of website hosting companies are being tying up with her, like Bluehost. Now this is something like if you have a paid subscription of Bluehost, the whole of the creation of the website, the maintenance of the website, everything will be taken up. The whole responsibility will be taken up by these people. It's a very good platform. You don't have any hassle. Fine. And in many often places you will be find. See here also Liquid Web dedicated. There's also in many often areas in the different sidebars. Maybe in this left sidebar, which is also called primary sidebar, and this is the content sidebar, or this is the right sidebar. We can say like this. So you will have this Amazon website, Amazon widgets are there. Like here it is right professional microphone set and everything. This is for the recording purpose. She had posted like the inexpensive, cheap, budget friendly. It's not cheap. Let's speak it as budget friendly. recording accessories, microphones, and even sound cards, a lot of things. You can have a great deal of things with this post. See, budget friendly audio recording tips and accessories for beginner YouTubers, bloggers, voice artists. Here you can get a lot of links and a lot of explanations of those things. Okay, now she is also into the Fiverr platform. Okay, you can see that Fiverr, she has integrated a video of Fiverr.com, and this video is of the YouTube channel belonging to Smita ji, and this is the channel theme video. What her channel is basically is comprised of, one can get gist of those ideas that what the channel is about. You can click this video here also. You can have the playback is starting here. Okay, so here also you can listen to that. Likewise, this is the video also. It's on YouTube, the Fiverr.com, and you can search a lot of services in the Fiverr. You can see this. Explore more services. No? You can. There's a search button. It's a bigger one. Recommended services. You can have this. Then, if you want to comment, so you can just enter your comment here. At the very last of this, you will be getting this. But below this contact form, you will be getting the comment box. Here is the comment box. Somebody has commented एक बेहतरीन कलाकार को सत सत नमन, Mr. Raj Kumar. Fine. So this is the comment box. You can then submit. You have to give your email address also. So without email, and here are the Twitter posts of Smita ji. You can have this Smita's and the Twitter post. You can see this. A lot of links. You can follow her directly from here. Okay. So again, Amazon visit. You can see this here also. These are a lot of beauty tips and a lot of related to the posts which she had already generated. You can explore her posts. I suggest this. So you can get a lot of things. Here also is sound card, USB sound card. There is another sound card, very budget friendly. It's a 5,000 or something like that. So very costly things. Recording things are very costly. You can have this 6,000. It's very cheap. And here also it is extreme acoustics. Maybe it would be a bit costly. The price is not being displayed. Here again a beauty product, like it's an organic product from Biotic. It's like, and you have again a USB sound card here. You have your headphones. These are not mere headphones. These are basically this can be used in the studio, recording studio. It's a very inexpensive things which she had already tasted, and it is out of her experience only she had suggested these things. It's not that just to make some money or make some website and creating big website, something like that. She has suggested out of her experience. You can this is the basic thing which you can directly purchase through her website, so that you can get a special discount from Amazon also on these products. Once you click on this widget link, see, I'm just clicking it. You can see this. The link will open. Here the link opens. Fine. It's currently unavailable. It's a very demanded product. This has been unavailable. So maybe it's 3,899 or something like that. You can have that. This sort of things is a Hayden. It's a very trusted product. And this is of course not Hayden. Extreme Acoustics by Cadence. This is also one very trusted company for this mixer. This is a mixer. You can audio mixer. You can have this. You can directly connect it to the computer and then start recording. You will have HD type of recording. You can have a mixing of that. Then again here in this site you will have your cloud hosting. Okay, host wings. Then here the Smita ji's Facebook page postings. You can see this. Recently she had posted a lot of posts. So like you can check here these things. The Facebook post. whatever she does in the website, it directly reflects in her website through Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter, Instagram, everything. You can see, check out these things. Okay. Then I'm just surfing it gradually. There are some links she had shared. You can just check it into that. Fine. So a lot of things she had used in the Facebook. Find us on Facebook. You can directly link to her. You can have this. You can see these are the Facebook links which you had posted. Find us on Facebook. Then you can see a lot of things. You can see this. Many things you can have this. Fine. Now my point is that after this you can see this. Lot of things you can see. Lot of things. It's not ending. Go on and just check it. It will show the last post she had done in the beginning. There's a website of Hanuman Chalisa she had shared on the Facebook. Then after this is again Hostwinds, the cloud hosting, website hosting. And after this is again that widget, the Amazon's widget for beauty products. And then this is, you can, regarding the purchase and through Smitaji's website, I have already described, so not to repeat these things. You can just check it into that. Then after that, this is Instagram, Smitaji's Instagram postings. So you can see this. You can join Smitaji directly from here also by clicking on this, any of the video, a photograph. Then if you want to subscribe to Smitaji's website to get a lot of information about email, in your email, so you can directly put your email here, like it's written here. It is somebody else browser, so her website is being highlighted here, and then you can put it, and then you can press the subscribe button, so that things you will be subscribed immediately. You will be getting a link in your email that you have subscribed to Enjoy Music with Smita S. Fine. You'll be getting a lot of information. Whatever she posts, whatever she does in the website, immediately you'll be notified. These are some technical parts which I am not entitled to say. Now after this, you can see the footer. This is the footing, the bottom sidebar, the footer sidebar. And this, simply it is being told, it is being regarded, considered as footer of the website. You can see this, a lot of, again the websites, and here also a video of the fever.com. Okay. So this is all about the first page and the widgets, the special widgets which are integrated to this website. And then I have to go for the left 3 pages of our website, that is register. About register, I've already told, brief bio, it's about Smitaji's profile, and the description of her profile, and then audios. I'm just clicking this, that's where you can see this. It takes a bit time to load the page because it depends upon the connection speed, and I'm doing it through VPN, so there is some reduction of the speed, maybe 20% to 25% reduction of the speed. VPN is very secured, encrypted, the data is encrypted, you are secured, no hacker, no nothing will be, you will be tracked fine while you will be surfing through internet. That's very important. Nowadays is very important. See, this is about the audio page. See, I'm not saying about the sidebar. Sidebars are same everywhere. Now you will be, this is the featured image of this page, audio page. You can, here also the SoundCloud links are there. I'm directly saying these are the SoundCloud links. You can click it, the 3 SoundCloud widgets in the page which have been there. So that is the same thing, it is being used. Fine. So these are the things which you can see this directly. You can play the audio. Here you can directly play the audio. So it's a long playlist. Okay, that's the playlist of old Bollywood evergreen hit covers sung by me. Okay, and then you have your playlist of old Bollywood hit covers of Asha Bhosle. She is a very prominent female voice of India. And then playlist of super hit Bollywood covers by me 80s onwards. You can have this collection. Okay, I'm not finding her own composed songs. These are her own composed songs. My songs to listen for this. Below here is a playlist of my composed music played and rendered song list. You can. She has composed these songs. She had made music to these songs, and she had sung these songs. So you will enjoy the playlist. Just click the button and it will start playing. You can see this. The first song, and then automatically it will. Fine. That's first is Hanuman Chalisa. So this is how you can have this, and then you will have, after audios, you will have videos. See, once you play this, you see this, I have already told you that this cover page changes every time you surf a different page or open website of Smita ji, this Enjoy Music with Smita S. You'll have a different cover page. Okay, so it has been set like this. The primary and the content side bar, the right side content bar, the same. Fine, so there's no change. You can have this. Fine. It takes a long time to load this the page. See, it is still buffering. So you can have this. This is the YouTube playlist which she has integrated to her website. It takes a bit time, considerable time. It takes a bit time to load. You can have this because the videos will be loading. It will take some time. The page has jumped like anything. You can see this. Gradually I'm scrolling it. You can see this because these sites are same. Now you will see this. Fine. So she has written a lot of things about this video page, about her YouTube channel. So you can also click the blogger and the YouTuber. You can have a click here, the blog link, and then these are the pages, these are the playlist or video playlist. You can have this. Fine, I'm just scrolling gradually. So these are the playlist. Once you play it, the whole setup will be start playing. You can see this here and through the website also. So these things you can have. Okay, and then the last one is about the poems. So these are especially composed by her. You can check it. It takes a bit time to load it. Let's wait. See, this time also the cover page has changed. It is still loading. It takes. You can see this. Enjoy Music with Smita. The background has been changed. So this is the type of settings she had made it to her website. This is the featured image, collection of my poems. Explore here. And so you can have this. You can check it here. It takes a bit time to load. Now it has been loaded. You see, partially loaded. You can see If you click this, you will be redirected to a different page where the image will be enlargedly shown to you. You can see this. Fine. You can see this. This is the button which I'm just making the cursor, rotating the cursor on the screen. You can see this, and here there is a plus sign. See, this is enlarged, and you can just here you can just check it. Here you can also side you can read it. Otherwise you can read through this also. Fine. You have to just go back. See, she has not integrated all the poems she had composed. In fact, that collection, there are two collections which are there here in her Blogger profile, Google's Blogger profile. You can click here to open this. I am just making it. You can see this. It will be in a different tab. It will be open here. The blog, blogger.com profile of Smita ji. She had made these collections. You can see different pages are there. Someday else I will be explaining this Blogger profile of Smita ji. It's just like a website also, and you can see this, the collection of poems, lot of poems. Actually these were written in Odia, her mother tongue, and these were translated by somebody in English. Okay, you can go through, you can enjoy this, reading these poems. Maybe she will be integrating with a lot of creative backgrounds and a lot of things, those poems. So might be it will be taking a lot of time. So she has not done it. So she has just written here that explore more collection of my compiled poems here. Those are posted in my Blogger profile. I have not yet updated this page of my website. Therefore, I request you to explore my Blogger page for getting updated more about my compiled poems. So these are the two links. Fine, the collection of two links. Again, you will have this contact form. Okay, and I just told you that like that, and then below that you will have your very just close to the bottom of the page, you will have a comment box also. Everywhere you will have this comment box. Fine. So these are the things which you will be integrating through Smitaji's website. Okay. You can here, if you like this post, you can just click here. Okay, be the first to like this, and then you can. Rest of the instructions are same, so I am not repeating those things. Fine. So with this, allow me to close this conversation with you, so you can have a good knowledge about exploring the websites and the posts she used to put it regular in a regular basis in the website. So those things will be very much beneficial to you. With these words, let me close this conversation. A lot of thanks to you for patiently watching this video, and stay blessed always. Stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you very much.